Okay, we're at the entry of Corkscrew Gulch, airing down the tires, getting ready to go out on the trail. All right, the guys are mapping out our next leg of Corkscrew, which is a little offshoot we're going to take.
So if we wanted to go
off-roads,
once we get to Hurricane Peak, we wanted to go do that because I think that's
out and back.
Yeah, and in and out.
Then we can hit and come back down.
Hit the rest of the. Hit the rest of the Corkscrew.
Cool. What are you guys thinking? Hurricane Pass?
Yeah. Go get Hurricane Peak. Then we come back down.
What's the elevation at Hurricane?
13 something, I think.
Wow.
13,000? Sounds good, huh?
Yeah, so the highest we did so far, yeah.
That's unreal. Hey family, we're up on top of Red Mountain. Came up Corkscrew Gulch and driving up this little trail. This isn't really on X. I'm not sure what it is, but it's just like at the top of Red Mountain. So having a great time. Trevor's out running the trails like he normally does. And I'm just here enjoying the views. I'm not sure if this will show up or not on the video. But there's snow caps, snow dusting anyway, on some of the mountains. Back in here, you can kind of see some of the, where's it at there? Somewhere in there, you see some of the snow. And Trev's up here on top of this little peak. Red Mountain Pass, or no, excuse me, Corkscrew Gulch, and then I'm on top of Red Mountain.
I don't see those other two vehicles even making that last bend yet, though.
Hey family, we're on top of Hurricane Pass. I think it's elevation over 13,000 feet. And we took Corkscrew Gulch to get here, and then came on up to this Hurricane Pass. Then we're gonna go back down because this trail's kind of in and out, and then we'll go on to California Gulch. So amazing views. Wish y'all were here. Love y'all.